But that doesn't make sense. Yeah, you have to
Okay,
put it in a
good.
flask so it supports itself.
Oh, good. You wet the filter?
Do I just like put it under the water?
No, you can use your. Well, you can get it really wet, just a little flow. Nice. And then you can do the edges a little bit, just lightly. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Well, you need to make. Okay, so that's your mixture.
Yeah.
You got your mixture here, and you swirled it. Can you swirl it again? All right. So now you're gonna slowly pour, right? Why do you slowly pour it? Why do you not pour it quickly?
Because then the things will get stuck.
The magnesium carbonate will come out as well.
Yes, good. It'll overflow. Yeah. You can pour a little more. Because the filter paper covers all the way up to here.
So I have to fill up the filter paper?
Get it closer to the top. Remember, pour slow. Okay.
Got the right angle.
So you can see some of the carbonate gathering at the bottom there. So you should probably swirl it again just to get it mixed in more. Good.
I'm pro swirler.
And pour a little more. Okay, good. You're getting the hang of it. It is, yes. So you fold it?
Yeah, I folded it.
Yay!
So you videotaping?
I am. I have to videotape myself. It's okay. It's just some water.
Okay.
How do you feel about your own? Do you prefer a partner?
Okay. It's gonna come out a lot.
You're more than welcome.
No, just it's gonna come out in a very solid stream though, like very. Yeah. So put it in the funnel first before you wet it, so it wets to the funnel. Just do it a little bit lightly, okay? Is it cracked or something?
Where all around?
Is there anybody
It's
doing
okay.
this experiment on their own?
Are you have to squeeze it. Are you squeezing it?
Oh my gosh, no, we're or you could just even like look, so you start the evaporation.
Okay, there you go. Good, girls. Don't forget to swirl too, to get it all mixed. Perfect.
More?
Maybe a little bit more. Okay, and a swirl.
Oh, we use that.
Good, good. Okay, that should be enough. And you girls feel confident about filtering it? Now, how do you pour it into the filter? You pour it fast or slow? Slow. Why do you pour it in slow? That's okay. What do you think would happen if you filled it all the way up to the top? It would take longer, and it would block. It would start blocking out the filter paper. Just a little bit, okay? So squeeze some in.
This?
No more than that.
This?
Swirl it and see how it mixes. Maybe a little bit more.
Swirl like it's... Oh.
You can add more. So what kind of mixture do you think this is?
It's homogeneous.
Good. And why do you think it...
See the white inside
Yes.
the water instead
So
of
add just a little more and that should be good.
Miss, where
Yes.
do we get the paper?
The filter paper is right here. Are we out? Oh, I think we are all out of filter paper. I will just deal with that 1 second.
Okay, thank you.
Do we have more filter paper in the room, or should I go get some?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay, I'll go get some. Yes, that's a good amount. Yeah. How are you girls doing?
Are we doing this properly?
Yeah.
We're slowly.
Yeah, but you're swirling to make sure you get rid of all the magnesium carbonate. Good. Girls, shh, eyes on me, girls. We have some more filter paper if you need some. Okay, did you need some? Yes. There you are. How's it going? You've almost got all of it in there. I think you can pour a little more in at this point. So we can get you started for the next part. So what are you going to start with next, do you think? Good. Because that takes just as much time? Good. Yes. Your power bar?
It's hanging. Is it okay if we still plug?
Yeah, you can still plug it in.
It won't do anything, right?
Yeah, it should be okay. Yes. Yes, girls.
Miss?
Oh, it's moving slow because there's a lot of carbonate that's blocking it.
Is that bad? Do we have to redo it?
No, it's fine. It's
Okay.
just filtration really does take a long time. So maybe swirl a little more, and you can pour a little more in. And while you're waiting, you should probably set up the next part.
Okay.
Yeah.
We have a hard time using the decantation thing.
Are you on decantation already?
Well, yeah, Mr. was gonna say we could start like while this is going.
Okay, let's see. Your decantation here.
That's a lot.
Do you guys remember the very first step in the video?
You're supposed to take
Did you close it so it's closed? You remove the lid first thing because it allows air movement. So let's see. Let's try it now.
Okay, that makes sense.
There you go. Now remember, you got to keep your eye on it.
Is it supposed to go through slow first, or?
It'll go through faster the more vertical you get it. But you don't want it to go too fast because you want to be able to watch it, right?
So like that kind of?
Yep. And you guys are keeping an eye on your mixture? Good.
Miss, I have a question.
Yes.
Are things like almost
Let's see. Oh, swirl it, and then yes, you can put more in there. That looks good. You can throw some more in. Yes.
Is this enough?
Salt water? Yes, that's fine. Swirl it, mix it up a little more. I can still see a lot of salt in there. So do some active swirling, and then yes, that should be good. Okay, because remember, you want to try and get as much of the bottom out as you can, okay?
So I just like empty it out
You
fast?
can dump it out now. Good. Now leave it, and you can let it filter. And you've been working. You've got it boiling.
Yep.
Good. And you started decanting with. Perfect. How are you girls doing? Good. Don't forget to get the bottom sediment. You can almost speed it up a little bit to get more of the bottom out. Did you have a question earlier?
No, it's okay.
Okay.
I got it completely.
That might be too much. Yes, that's going to take a while. Well, swish it a little. Is that the salt?
Yeah, this is.
There might almost be just too much salt. So you do nice circular motions. There, see? That's a little bit less. But yeah, that should be a good amount. You can use that. Okay.
How do you know when it's hard enough to put it on?
Oh, you can just put it on in regards and let it boil. Because you want it to get to boiling. You don't want to put it on right when it's hot because that could crack it. You want the glass to heat up with the surface.
Okay.
Good. Yes. No, you can start the next thing now that it's boiling. All right, Vanessa, how you doing?
Is it like... I don't know,
That's
there's still
perfect.
some in there.
Oh, that's gonna happen just from the residues of the coloring, I believe, in the oil. But this looks perfect. Did you find it hard to stop near the end?
We practically went like the whole way and then we're like, stop. It's fine.
Very good.
So we just pour it back in?
Wait for a second and then pour it back in. What do you have next that you can work on?
That's it. And then we just have to watch
And how's your salt water doing?
pretty well.
So you girls feeling confident about your lab techniques for?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Exciting. So why don't you just pour it back in? We can pour it back in.
Just let me double check for now. Yes.
Let's go wash it.
There's still a little bit of green here.
I know, but it's like coming out clear, so I'm not sure.
Is it?
Because it comes out clear.
Oh, yeah, I think it is then. Okay, so stop. Good. Very good.
So I pour it back in, or?
Just 1 second.
Do we do the yellow one too as well?
No, because even if you put it in one layer on the other, what's going to happen?
It's gonna do the same thing.
Yeah, and what's that called? Emulsion and sedimentation. It's going to happen. It's going to emulsify no matter what. So, yes.
Fried at the bottom. And like we're watching it. Look, it's like it's on it.
Oh, it's going to bubble a lot more than that.
No, look at the bottom. It's brown on ours.
It's browning? Oh, so it's burning a little. The salt?
Yes. There's still water in there and everything.
Let it boil a little more. So it wasn't
we were
brown when you started.
I don't think so. No. It's like you can smell it.
Yeah.
And it told us not to use a stir stick, so.
Okay. Hold on 1 second.
Because this is like, I think all of the classes have used these so far. So you'll notice like a lot of stuff is mixing. Even the dye has filled up.
All right, girls, you getting started? What's the first step in decantation? Do you remember the video? It's the very first thing they said you have to do. Otherwise, you can't do anything else.
Oh, you have to open this guy up.
Yes. Do you know why?
Otherwise, it's like a vacuum. You can't. Yeah.
Exactly. Very good. Yes, Rosemary, how you doing?
It's Marie. But
Marie, I'm sorry.
Okay.
You should probably let out the last little bit
So
here.
do we put this cap on so it doesn't?
No, I don't know if that'll make a difference. Just make sure it comes out very, very slowly. So let's see you try this technique. Very slowly. That's pretty impressive that you got it all contained in the hose there. Okay, and good. That's okay. That's a very good job. No, it's when it's horizontal, it's shut. Good. How's your salt water coming? It's boiling? Good.
Miss Blackwell,
Yes.
put everything on.
It's heating up?
Yeah.
Good. And you got your filtration happening?
Yes. So can we start? Or
Yes, you may.
We have to watch this.
Keep an eye on it, but you can start your decantation.
Okay.
That's fine.
we start decantation too?
You got it boiling and you got your filter going? Then yes, you can. Just keep an eye on it, okay?
But I don't want it to burn.
It won't. It's not even boiling yet. Robin, what's up? Pardon? It's done?
I think. Because there's no more cold.
Yeah. Well, so you're confident the layers are separated?
Yep.
Good. Very good. So what are you working on now? You're still
We have
boiling?
the two things still going.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, if you feel confident about this, you can mix it back together.
Okay. Wait, we have to show someone. Okay. Can you put it back?
They can.
This one was this. We just separate one and then
That's right. Show either myself or Miss Blackwell and then dump it back in.
Yeah.
Going good?
Yes. Okay, you can lower the temperature. This is bad.
Turn it off.
Okay, use tongs. Can you use tongs to take it off? Because you're going to burn the glass. Very, very careful. Go up higher to the lid so you can catch it on the lip. Okay, good. There, now let it cool.
And then do we put it back on later?
No, you evaporated all the water.
Evaporated,
How
okay.
much salt did you put in there?
Not a lot.
My goodness. Okay, and your filtrate's doing well, and you used your distillation or your decantation?
We haven't done that yet.
Okay, well, it looks like you can start that now if you want. Oh, you're still working it. Good. How you girls doing?
Do we have to do that while we wait?
Yeah, I mean, you don't have to watch it. It's not going to burn unless it gets to be just salt.
We'll just wait.
Yeah, I don't know if you have time.
Okay, let's go.
Plus, the decantation really doesn't take a lot of time. Well, this is quite a lot of salt. But you don't want the evaporation to take too long. So maybe just a little bit more water, and then you can start it.
So like this would be better.
That's good. So swirl. Okay, so is it now, well, it's still got salt in it that you can see. What kind of solution, what kind of mixture is it?
Heterogeneous.
Heterogeneous? Why do you say that?
Because you can see the salt pebbles inside. So
Good.
It's very visual.
And if you can't see the salt?
It's homogeneous.
Good. Okay, yeah, you can get started. Make sure you clear all this off with the heating pad, okay? You shouldn't have this much stuff on your desk. Yes. Let's see. That looks finished. So let it dry out a little more, and then you can actually take the filter paper out and see all the magnesium carbonate.
While everything's doing, should we do these the last thing if you're finished asked, or we should wait?
Wait for now.
I think it works.
Oh, good. Yeah, take it off.
Gosh, let me see.
Beautiful. You turn the heat off?
That smells nasty.
All right, and you still got this filtration happening? Good. So you guys feeling confident about these lab techniques?
Oh, yeah. There, it's off.
You guys feeling more confident now in a test situation? You know you can handle this? Even better. Yes, girls, how you doing? You're all done? That's very good. So you feeling confident about this?
Yes.
Okay, so now you can pour this back in. And try and watch it sediment.
Do I wash this with soap?
I would, yes. Very good. Can you start it?
Yeah, like Elizabeth was like freaking out.
Yes, this is, you can set, like, you have to separate these two
That's what I thought, but
layers.
she wasn't sure.
Good. Oh, Rebecca, you're actually doing the full-on separation.
We weren't supposed to?
You didn't have to, but this is still good. Don't worry. Are you understanding the difference between the layers, though? Good.
This there, right?
Yeah. So then when you're done and you're feeling confident, you can pour them back in together, okay? Good. All right, girls, are there any lab questions you're supposed to be answering?
There are not any lab questions.
There are no lab questions? So, are you feeling confident about these methods then for the test?
Yes, we are so ready.
Did I ask you this question already?
Yeah.
I did. Well, as long as you're feeling confident and you're just waiting for the water to boil off? Good. Okay. Yes, Marie.
How do I know when to stop that?
The boiling, you'll start to see the salt, and you can lower the heat soon. But for now, is that your salt water solution? Oh, you're cleaning off your beaker. Okay. That's good. That's done.
And then we take another one.
No, you don't have to. You've got them separated. You understand why they're separated?
Yeah.
Good. Then you can, once you feel confident about that, you can pour this back in.
Okay.
In case anybody else wants to practice decanting.
So we're done. I can pour back in now.
Yep. Are you guys feeling understanding? Why would you decant something?
Separate.
Okay. Good. Yes. Whoop, no worries. You waiting for your partner? Yes. So your decantation?
Yes.
Okay. What's the first step in decantation? Do you remember the video? It was the first thing you had to do, otherwise this whole thing wouldn't work.
Everything we have to do in the experiment?
The first thing you have to do when decanting something. Otherwise it doesn't work. In the video. Alright, well why don't you start it and see what happens.
We started again?
Oh, did you already do this?
Yes.
Oh, and you did the whole thing with the lid on?
No, we took it off.
Oh, that's the first thing you have to do. There we go. Oh, very Very good. You guys are cleaning up too. Good. You took that off. It smells like it was about to burn.
It's burning, I think.
No, it's okay for now. But it's a good thing you took it off.
Miss Blackwell?
Yes. That looks great.
Can we like put it back in?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
You feeling confident about decantation? Good. Yes. That's perfect. That is very much evaporated. Yes.
You're the one who put the salt this time,
So you're helping it filter out? It's pretty thick. Yeah. But this is good. This should work quite well. Girls, did you come up and check out this process? Yeah, you should come see it. You're going to learn about it.
I don't know. I should like probably.
It is.
It's falling. It's almost done, guys.
Yeah, it is.
What is this?
This is distillation. So what happens?
No, I mean like what is it?
It's orange dye, I believe, in water. So we've got the dye right here and the water that was distilled out of it. So what happened is you have the water vapor evaporating, and you see all these bumps here? That increases the surface area. So a lot of orange food dye catches on and then falls back down. There is some. We heated it up pretty hot. The water comes up, and we have the condenser here and the water running around it. It's cold. You can feel it. See, it's very cold. So it condenses the water and causes it to drip down into the tube here. Yeah, so we have a very, very hot, don't touch this, this is very hot, but the condenser keeps everything cool, cools down the gas, and drops it into the beaker here. Yeah. You're not going to have to know how to set this up, but this might be something, I'm going to check to see if this is something you might be tested on later.
Is that yours?
This? It is, yes.
What did you put on the bottom? I have the same cup I used to.
I put loose leaf tea in the bottom of it. That's what I'm drinking.
You're videotaping yourself saying that.
Yes. Well, I had to do this once before, and it was just as awkward because you can't photo the students. So I have to go home and analyze this, and it's going to be me watching myself close up, face right here.
So, but you edited it out.
No, the teacher needs to see everything.
Oh gosh, I am in it.
I get to show my classmates. It's going to be pretty fun. Okay, so you girls done everything else? Let me see. Very nice. Let's see how it's looking. Oh, it's getting there. It's almost done. Very good.
Did you look up this Burmese journey?
I didn't. I need to check that out.
I was the one.
You found it?
Sarah's like, I got a mailman's heart. And I'm just like, this conversation just got really weird.
Yeah.
Like, and you can choose them, and like you give them like, and you have to avoid the spermatodes. Like, they know the
Spermicide?
yeah.
Oh.
And it's actually
Very nice.
I found the game like my ass. And like we came
What's
to
it
a-
called?
Burmese Journey.
Burmese Journey. I will look that up. That sounds crazy. Yes. That's fantastic. So the filter paper, what's going to happen is that's in labs, you let it dry out, and you can actually weigh it. You can set the filter paper to 0 and weigh it to see how much was actually in the water. It's a pretty cool experiment. So for now, you're going to let it dry, and then you can actually later take it out and flatten it out and kind of measure and see how much magnesium carbonate was in your water. Woo! It's really high pressured. It's quite fun.
I don't get how that happened down here. Okay.
Careful with the tongs.
How's your video going?
I think it's going well. Teaching girls, you're really figuring this out for the most part on your own.
So what do you do with it? Do you just show it to someone?
I show it to my classmates, and then my professor sees it, and I analyze my teaching to see what I could have done better.
You can't do anything better.
Thank you, girls.
You won't be able to do anything
Yay!
I don't tend to like teachers.
Oh, yay!
I hope you'll come teach at Villa. I really want my sister to be your student.
I hope so too.
Okay. We have a few years. She'll be here in 2 years.
Oh, well, fingers crossed. Lydia, you should have your goggles on at all times. I know. They're still not as protective.
Girls, remember if you finish, you can try the solid decantation. So we can kind of
Do you have a message or something?
We were conversing.
Oh.
And then you're going to need another beaker and
Kara, did you get your haircut? Yeah. It looks good. Thank you. Alright girls, if you've done everything and you've done the solid decantation too, you can start cleaning up. Well,
Should I just put stuff away? Should I just put it away or should I do the solid decantation?
let's see.
I don't know, we have like 10 minutes left for class.
Yeah, we gotta check it out.
Only 10 minutes left for class?
No, there's 20 minutes left.
I'll take it. We'll use it for this.
Doesn't matter. It was broken when we got it. It's fine. Because I think he has a thing again.
How's your filtrate doing? Oh, it's almost done. This is exciting. It's been a wild ride all class.
Yeah.
Very good. Is this your solid decantation?
Yeah.
So what are you doing for the solid decantation?
Just trying to get that and concealer.
Sounds good. There's a responsibility that comes with a squirt bottle, and you could lose that squirt bottle.
It's so much fun.
Is this your decantation?
Yeah,
Very cool. Somebody call Jazzy to call my name? That. Very efficient.
This is actually making me nervous.
Requires some precision.
And girls, sorry, when you're done with the rocks, they go into the big beaker.
Okay. Yes. Now you're gonna hold the rod right in the lip here and try and pour the water in and do it nice and slow and gentle. And then when you're done, you put the rocks in the giant beaker over there.
Oh, this is the fastest we've ever done.
Yeah, it's pretty fast. Wasn't exactly too scary or complicated.
I thought it was.
Good.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah, there's not really a day 9 this week, is there? Yes.
What are you doing, Gina?
No, super. You guys can try.
Try bringing the rocks down.
That was pretty fast, huh?
Yeah.
Good.
That's done and that's done.
Yep. So now you girls need to focus on doing some cleanup and getting ready. Good.
Garbage goes in the garbage.
Yes. Got it.
Just gonna unplug.
It's almost there. It's gonna happen really quickly at this point.
This is my square.
How's the cleanup going?
Good.
Good.
Watch.
Hello? Good. I'm just circling the room now.
I thought you were on the phone.
Nope, I'm doing a video recording.
Oh, so you have me during the recording.
Yeah. It's kind of a selfie video recording of me. Yeah. See? Really fast. That's done.
So just don't forget to test on for Monday. Your procedures, your materials.
Good. Now you can let it cool down.
Are you sure? Gosh, it's so cool.
Okay, you can turn the heater off too.
Water right away.
We actually have to wait.
Robin, what's up? That's good. Very good. It's a lot of salt.
Yeah.
Did you turn it off?
Yeah, shut it off.
Good.
Unplug it.
Okay. How many times are you guys going to do this one?
I don't know, we have anything else to do?
And you're all done the cleanup?
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay, maybe one more time and then maybe do some cleanup. The last bit of cleanup, which is these two things. Expertly done.
I'm waiting to see if you're gonna get a rocket.
I would say just because you're writing out procedures, it's not going to be bad.
So how are you girls feeling about the test next week? Good? You feeling confident in these methods?
Fourth time you ask us, Miss.
I want to be there. Yeah.
This is happening on my birthday.
No way.
Yeah. Mine's 24th is my birthday.
Well, at least it won't be too hard. Actually, I didn't get to tell my birthday was last week.
Oh, really?
Yes. It was on the 13th.
Belated birthday, miss.
Thank you. Okay. Bye. All right, girls, we have about 10 minutes left in class, so if you haven't started cleaning up, you should start cleaning up now.
That's cool.
Okay, Marie, you should probably start doing the last of the cleanups with this.
I like this one.
I know.
It's so fast.
It seems very calming, too. But yes, you should do some cleanup for this.
Okay.
Will we take off our goggles?
If you've done all your cleanup, then yes.
Thank you.
Woo. Pardon?
Are we not looking off our glasses and our lab coats?
If you're all done and the cleanup's all done, then yes.
Yeah, we're gonna use it for the water. We'll just use that water.
Lydia, I think you can put the water away now. Ah.
Girls, make sure you can see the dish working.
Yeah, I turned it off because it was
I
overflowing.
think pretty much everybody saw though.
Yeah, I dragged a bunch of girls over and showed them.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Do we have to know how to set this up?
No.
And with this, like the distillation would be on the test, right?
Okay, girls, you need to take that off. That's definitely done. Take it off. Good.
So this is
And then you turn the heat off. Yeah, this is what you get when you evaporate out
Salt was flying
the
out
water.
of it, right?
Yep, salt can boil too.
Oh, that's so sick.
But it's very hot.
It's burnt.
Is it? No?
No?
It's still good. You'd smell it. It smells when it burns.
So we would have to put like room temperature water there, right? Not for the glass to break.
Let it cool down first, and then clean it out. Did you turn the heat off?
Yeah.
Good.
Should we unplug it? Yeah.
Yeah, you should unplug it. Good. And then you can, have you done this? The solid,
Yeah, we did it.
Okay, so you can start cleaning up now because I think we've got about 5 minutes left in class. Okay, so we'll give that a few minutes to cool, and then you can take it. But for now, you can put the heating.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. All right, ladies. Ladies, eyes on me. Shh. Don't forget to wipe down your tables, okay? I don't want to see any extra mess on the table that shouldn't be there. And now we've a few minutes left, so make sure you're finished cleaning up. Yes. Yes, you may if you're all done. Thank you, Jazia.
I want you to be in the wall.
Okay, girls, don't forget to wipe down this counter too. There's a lot of water around here, okay?
It's not just mine.
I realize that, but you still should wipe it up.
Okay, I'll do it.
Robin, can you wipe up some of the counter as well
I
too?
just have to finish my table first.
Perfect, thank you. Jasmine, do you have any time to kill?
Yes, I do.
Do you want to do me a favor, you and Julia? Maybe do a little wipe down of the counter? I know that some squirting water got everywhere. Thank you, ladies. Good. Is it cool enough to touch yet?
Yeah, I don't know.
You don't want to? Yeah, we just wait to before you risk it. Good. Thank you, girls. Can you make sure?
Soap is empty. Someone,
Oh, okay.
used
We'll get
it
some
like
more.
water.
But can you make sure? Yes, make sure the counter's dry for me. You lost a pin?
Not me, but my friend.
Like a hairpin or? Oh. Okay, well ask around. I'll ask around to start looking for it, okay?